Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Autonomous Agents. AI that plans, acts, and fixes its own mistakes. Imagine you have a super smart robot butler. You tell it, clean the house. It doesn't ask you what clean means, or how to do it. It figures out a plan. Vacuum, dust, mop, carries it out. And if it knocks over a vase, it learns not to do that next time. That's the magic of an autonomous agent. AI that can understand goals, make its own plans, act on them, and even learn from its screw-ups. It's AI with a mind of its own, within defined boundaries. As developers, we're used to writing code that does exactly what we tell it. Backquote if X, then Y backquote. But autonomous agents are different. Instead of step-by-step instructions, you give them a goal. Think of it like a sophisticated GPS. You tell it, get to destination B, and it figures out the best route, reacts to unexpected traffic, and reroutes if needed, all on its own. It's about building AI that takes initiative, not just blindly follows commands. Before an autonomous agent acts, it thinks. This planning phase is like a chess grandmaster mapping out several moves ahead. The agent uses internal models, its understanding of the world, to simulate different actions and predict their outcomes. For a developer, this involves algorithms that search through possible actions, weighing their costs and benefits, to find the optimal sequence to achieve its goal. It's not random guessing. It's calculated foresight based on its knowledge. Once the agent has a solid plan, it needs to execute it. This is where the AI interacts with the real world. Whether it's moving a robotic arm, sending an email, or adjusting a climate control system, it translates its carefully crafted plan into actual, tangible actions. This often involves effectors, the parts of the agent that physically or digitally make changes. Like a robot's wheels, a program's API calls, or a smart thermostat's heating element. This is arguably the most powerful and unique aspect. What happens if the agent's plan doesn't work out as expected? Maybe the vacuum got stuck, or the email bounced. An autonomous agent doesn't just stop. It has sensors, like a robot's cameras, temperature gauges, or a program's error logs, that observe the results of its actions. It compares these actual results to its predicted outcomes. If there's a mismatch, it updates its internal model, learns from the failure, and adapts its future plans. It literally gets smarter through experience. So, how do we build these intelligent systems? Think of it like assembling several key components. 1. Perception. Asterisk using sensors, data inputs, to understand the environment. 2. Cognition, planning. Asterisk using algorithms, often involving AI, ML models, to process information, build models of the world, and strategize. 3. Action, execution. Asterisk using effectors, outputs, to interact with the environment. 4. Learning, adaptation. Asterisk feedback loops that refine the agent's models and planning strategies based on experience. As developers, we'd be working with frameworks, APIs, and data science tools to implement these intricate parts. Autonomous agents aren't just sci-fi anymore. Self-driving cars, asterisk constantly planning routes, reacting to traffic, and adjusting on the fly. Smart home systems, asterisk learning your preferences for temperature and lighting, then adjusting automatically. Industrial robots, asterisk optimizing assembly lines, identifying defects, and adapting to new tasks. Even advanced personal AI assistants, asterisk getting better at understanding your requests and proactively helping you based on your habits. The future is filled with AI that can take initiative and operate independently. making our lives easier and more efficient. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.